sending boundless compassion filled with light and grace. Many kings, lotus breathing, empathy, sweet scent, a brilliant wonder through the universe it sent. In this ocean of flowers, the flowery splendor, world so vast, countless dharma realms unfold their beauty everlast, each independent yet mingling never in diverse forms they shine, adorned subtly by Buddha's karma design divine. Beneath the swirling waters and Mount Sungaru's might, boundless lands encircled by lotuses, shining ever bright. A grand ocean, pearl fire, a boundless cosmic net, a Dharma realm vision where lotus blooms are set. With dazzling radiance, the whole world glows so clear. With dazzling radiance, the whole world glows so clear. Mysterious are the world's seeds unfolding without end. They come into being, then decay, then disappear again. Like forest leaves that bud and fall, through cycles they transcend. So too do worlds arise and cease, a truth that will extend. Karma unfolds distinct as seeds yield different fruit. A pure perception born from mind's own light, a living root. As dragon kings summon clouds to cover empty space, by Buddha's vows all lands emerge with boundless light and grace. Some worlds are cloaked in darkness, steeped in bitter pain, where those of ill deeds dwell, bound by karma's chain. Yet other worlds adorned in seven precious gems so bright, the Tathagata's shining palace filled with purest light. In a single pore of skin, a billion worlds unfold, their wondrous boundaries enchanting, a story to be told. Countless worlds shaped by karma's intricate design, receiving joy and sorrow, bound by attachment's fine. Where all treasures emit their light, a glorious shining grace, adorned by diamond lotuses in this sacred hallowed place. A radiant world born of pure light, eternally it gleams. The bodhisattva's robes fragrant as lotus dreams. Like Indra's net they shimmer, reflecting every ray. A many's light born on a symphony